All right, Mark, thank you so much. Meantime, law enforcement in New York and Washington, they are preparing for possible protest ahead of the expected indictment of former President Donald Trump.
Big story here. Barricades now surround the Manhattan criminal courthouse, where a grand jury is investigating hush money payments made to an adult film star. This comes after the former president called for protests when he announced over the weekend, without any evidence, that he would be arrested Tuesday, aka today. But right now, the timeline for an arraignment appears to be in question.
The grand jury investigating former President Donald Trump appears close to completing its work. It took a step forward Monday, hearing from a witness favorable to Trump. Robert Costello, a lawyer with close ties to Trump's inner circle, questioned the credibility of a key witness, Michael Cohen.
The heart of it is that Michael Cohen told us that he was approached by Stormy Daniels' lawyer, and Stormy Daniels had negative information that she wanted to put in a lawsuit against Trump. So Michael Cohen decided on his own, that's what he told us, on his own, to see if he could take care of this.
Cohen, who pleaded guilty in connection with payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels and model Karen McDougal, say they were directed by Trump. That claim is now at the heart of the investigation. Trump denied having sex with either woman and has branded Cohen a liar. Republicans called the grand jury investigation a case of targeted political prosecution, something Florida Governor Ron DeSantis appears to agree with.
That's an example of pursuing a political agenda and weaponizing the office.
But he stopped short of fully defending the former president.
I don't know what goes into paying hush money to a porn star to secure silence over some type of alleged affair. I can't speak to that.
The next steps in the grand jury process are still shrouded in secrecy. One law enforcement source doesn't expect the former president to be arraigned until next week. There are reports another witness is scheduled to testify tomorrow.
Now, if Trump is indicted, it would mark the first time in American history a former president will face criminal charges. A source close to the former president says that if an indictment does come down, Trump would surrender in Florida and then have to fly to New York to be arraigned. He would also have to appear in court in person rather than a virtual hearing.